Raw milk can be used as a natural cleanser due to its moisturizing and nourishing properties. Here's how it works and how to use it. Benefits: hydration, contains fats and proteins that hydrate the skin. Exfoliation, lactic acid helps gently exfoliate, removing dead skin cells. Nourishment, rich in vitamins and minerals, it can promote healthy skin. How to use direct ablation: apply raw milk to your face using a cotton pad. Gently massage in circular motions. Mask, mix raw milk with honey or turmeric for a nourishing mask. Leave it on for about 15-20 minutes, then rinse with warm water. Daily cleanser. Use raw milk as a gentle daily cleanser, especially for dry or sensitive skin. Precautions: ensure the milk is fresh and sourced from a safe, reputable source. To avoid contamination, conduct a patch test. Conduct a patch test to check for any allergic reactions. Inky Infiniansynchrononig. Rosewater is a popular natural toner known for its soothing and hydrating properties. It can help balance skin's age, tighten pores, and reduce redness and irritation. To use it as a toner, simply 1. Cleanse your face to remove any makeup or impurities. 2. Apply rosewater using a cotton pad or spray it directly onto your skin. 3. Let it absorb for a few minutes before following up with moisturizer. It's suitable for all skin types, especially sensitive or dry skin. Homemade rice serum can be a great addition to your skincare routine, as rice is known for its soothing and brightening properties. Here's a simple recipe you can try. Ingredients: cup of rice, white or brown. 2, 3 cups of water, optional. A few drops of essential oil, like lavender or tea tree for added benefits. Rinse the rice under running water to remove any impurities. Cook the rice in a pot. Add the washed rice and water. Cook until the rice is soft and the water is cloudy once cooked. Strain the rice, keeping the water. This water contains beneficial nutrients. Cool the rice water. Allow the strained rice water to cool completely. If you want, you can add a few drops of essential oil to the cooled rice water for extra fragrance and benefits. Store the serum. Pour the rice water into a clean bottle or jar. It can be stored in the refrigerator for up to a week. You can also apply it directly to your skin using your hands for a more intensive treatment. Thanks for watching my video. For more skincare videos, stay connected with me.